Welcome back to another video. We are going to be drawing Godzilla Ultima. So the first thing I'm going to do on this picture, start with the brow, easiest part, and I'll start right here. And I'll make this come down right there. And then I'm starting with another line, like around here maybe. And I'll make this come up like that too. Separate that line, I'm going to make that go up there. Same with that. And then I'll make another line, like I'm gonna finish this right in here. And then another line right in here. And I'll go up there. And another one right there. Then I'll put some detail and right down the middle to show like the, what's it called, I don't know, but they're like this, and he has this spike line down the middle, so I'll just draw that in there. And we'll just go off the paper. And a little bit of proportions are off, so I will fix that very quickly. Okay, in there I fixed that right away. I fixed that. And now for his snout, I'll start right down here for this, that one part of the snout. I don't know why I can't talk. Now I'll make this come around right in here. For that, like, one section of the snout. Don't really know what it's called. So like this. I'll make this other part right there. And then I'll make one more, like, right there. And one more, I guess. And same with this side. Same with this. I'm just copying the other side. And I will make... I don't know why today I just can't draw that well. Well, okay, so like he has a lot of these like layers of like, I don't know if you're gonna know what I'm talking about, anyone watching, but he has like a lot of these like, kind of looks like he has layered skin. I don't know if anyone thinks that or not, because I kind of think he looks like he has that. But I'll draw his eye section, like not the whole thing, like this line like right in there. And then his teeth are very noticeable right here. And then he has this one large tooth like right there. Like that. And then he has, I'm just gonna make this go all the way up there, and then right here I'll make some spikes just go off the paper. And these are supposed to be bigger than the other ones. Then he has some even bigger ones going up there. Line down the middle. So I'm just gonna bring a line down the middle on all of them. Like that. Now I'll draw these kind of like these lines right here. Maybe put some little details on these. just like that. And then his mouth, I mean like his bottom jaw I meant, it will just come right down here. So like the bottom is like right there, I guess. Okay, this picture looks way better than I thought, like it really does. So the bottom jaw is like right there. Why is this paper tilted? So like, I don't know really, I know he has teeth right here, but I don't know I don't know how to draw them. Now draw that very quickly. I have messed up on some proportions. That's different. I'm gonna do something like that actually. I don't have any other pencil because this pencil is really dull now. Okay, he does have this again right here. Actually, I've never seen Godzilla a singular point yet. So, there could have missing out on a lot of pictures to draw, maybe. And I'll draw some extra lines right in here, just for some extra detail. And then we see okay, this mouth. I don't know how to draw this. It looks so, this mouth just looks so fat. I don't know why. I mean, how I remember it anyway, it's like way out there. No, why would it be out there? Whatever. So I'll draw this coming in like right in here. And how about that? And then some more of that in there. Bring this down. Now just bring that around. Oh my. Okay, I don't know why this mouth looks so weird. Why is this paper so far off? Okay, there. That's how it, I guess, it's supposed to look. And then he has some more teeth back there. Okay, I'll draw this. I'll draw the teeth like this, actually, like right in front of another. I actually don't remember if he has another tooth right there like that. Probably doesn't. I'll do that, and then he has these circle things, the atomic breath around his mouth. I mean, you know, I don't know what to call it now. I don't even know what to call it. I don't even know if I should even draw a tongue. It's supposed to be very bright. I'll draw some extra detail right here, like that, and then lines coming up right in there, like this, and that. Then he also, yeah, he does have this part, the side of his face, like right in here, but it's kind of blended kind of with his neck right there. Some more spikes as well. And then he has like, okay, this pencil. is literally, look at what, I mean, look at that. Look at this thing. It's like completely, okay, oh no. Okay, I'll keep drawing with it. I don't really care. I mean, I want it thick. So like, I'm gonna draw this like circle along here. Okay, I can make very clean circles, but not exactly. See, that side is not as round as that side, but can't make very clean circles. Well, I mean, I can make very clean circles. Okay, these pencils is not gonna last much longer. Okay, that going up there. This is gonna overlap that. Why did I do that? Okay. There's some of Ultima. I don't have a pencil sharpener in here. So I got another pencil and I have to hit the camera all the time. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is gonna draw this detail other than his face, which is like his shoulders, like up here in this sort of area. I can't draw as hard with this pencil, so I don't know. That might not be a good idea. That's gonna go up there. This is gonna go up here, and this will just, why did I do that? Come right down in there. I'll draw these lines right in here. Okay, that's the one part of it. So that's like his shoulders, so you can't really see much except some more little details I'll draw in here. Okay. There's the picture, and I will see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. I'm so close to 530. I want to get 1,000, so hopefully subscribe. I'll see you in, okay, I forgot to draw his eyes. So his eyes will be probably like around right here. They're gonna be like this. And do this. hopefully this was a helpful one. I don't know what I'm doing, but there. Hope you liked the video. Hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.